and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to be making a giant slice of pizza squishy. So if you're wondering why I made a giant slice of pizza, I have reached 100 videos on YouTube. I am so excited. I've also reached 200 subscribers, so this is a very special video. So that's why I'm going to be celebrating by making a giant slice of pizza. And without further ado, let's get started. So to make our squishy, you're gonna need a memory foam pillow. I got this one at Walmart. So now I'm gonna take a pen and trace out the shape of a pizza. So this is the shape I have. It's kind of hard to see, but now I'm just going to go ahead and take some scissors and carefully cut it out. So this is the shape I have. It's pretty rough, so I'm going to go back over with my scissors and fix all the rough edges. So after a lot of cutting, this is the shape I have. The edges aren't perfect, but it's okay because pizza isn't really perfect anyway. So to paint the squishy, we're going to be using some puffy paint, and here I have some brown, and this is the color I'm going to use for the crust. Now here I have some yellow puffy paint, and I'm just going to paint the rest of the pizza to be the cheese. This is what it looks like so far. It kind of looks like a piece of pie. Now for the meat chunks, I'm going to take the brown paint I used for the crust and do little lines. You can put any toppings you want on your pizza. You don't have to do this. And now I'm going to paint on some pepperoni. And now for the green peppers, I'm going to paint on some little green circles. As soon as you finish painting your squishy, be sure to let it dry overnight. Oh my goodness, you guys, this squishy turned out so soft. I love it so much. You guys definitely have to try this. This was so much fun to make. Just so you guys know, I won't be able to post Saturdays because I'm really busy this month and it's really hard to squeeze 2 videos in. So I will still be posting Wednesdays, just not Saturdays for a while. I'm going to be out of town on this next Wednesday, so the Wednesday after that I will try to have a new video out for you guys. I'm really sorry about that, guys. I hope you guys will understand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Bye! See you guys next week!